All right, let me ask you this. So have you ever switched phones and you realize that everything that you had in your WhatsApp is stuck in your old phone and not on the new one? Now I'm talking about chats, photos, videos, voice notes, and basically anything and everything. Essentially years of memory just sitting there in your old phone that you now don't use. Today I'm showing you the easiest way to recover all of your WhatsApp data from your old phone onto your new one. Now whether you're moving from an iPhone to an Android or vice versa, depending if you're making the switch or something like that, or you are upgrading to a new phone, this setup is going to work equally as easily and it's going to be straightforward. Because let's be honest, transferring your data from an iPhone to an Android or vice versa can be a nightmare. Now imagine how complicated it is for WhatsApp. Now the real issue is that backups don't always work. Google Drive and iCloud don't exactly talk to each other, so it's hard to make that link. And all of a sudden now you're left with messages missing. That's exactly where Wondershare MobileTrans comes in. It's a simple tool designed to transfer WhatsApp data from phone to phone, so whatever the phone combination that you have, without any complicated workarounds or gimmicks. Now with MobileTrans, you can transfer WhatsApp chats, photos, videos, voice notes, attachments, pictures, and anything of that nature. You can even transfer entire group chats. So it really does cover everything. And the best part is that it works across multiple platforms. Now, like I said, whether you're switching from an iPhone to an Android or the other way around from an Android to an iPhone, it's going to work the same and it's going to be a super easy setup. Now, let me show you exactly how simple this setup is. For the setup, it's pretty easy. I'm going to shift your attention to the screen. We have the app open here. It's called MobileTrans by Wondershare. So this is your main hub. You're going to be able to basically transfer everything from here. So before we get started with this, there is a small step. What you need to do is actually plug the two devices that you're going to be using for the transfer itself. So you want to plug in your old phone, which here you'll see I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you want to plug your new phone, which in my case is the Pixel 10 Pro XL. This is the one I'm upgrading to. So now here on the side, you have multiple options. You have app transfer. So WhatsApp, this is the one that we're going to be using. But for this one specifically, what we're going to do, we're going to take the information from my iPhone into my Pixel 10 Pro. And as you'll see here on the side, you have a nice little column that allows you to check all of the information. If you want to transfer messages, group SMS, start message, call logs, and that's going to be the case. We're going to click that. We're going to do a full transfer here and we're going to click start. It's pretty straightforward. While it does that, you can kind of check up on some stuff. It gives you a nice detailed list of what it actually is doing, so you can kind of keep track and see that everything is working as it should. Okay, so it's been a little bit of time. Now the transfer is complete. Everything has been fully transferred. You have a screen here. You need to follow what it says on the screen. So here on your Google, you will have a prompt. You need to match the correct one with here, and then we're going to click next from this one. It's going to say transfer from old phone, click next. So you just want to follow the steps on the screen. It's going to be pretty easy. It actually creates a kind of like a bypass, so you can actually restore all your chats and everything. It'll give you like some sort of encryption key that is designed for the software. As you can see, I put it in my Pixel 10 Pro. So now we're about to click next. I'm going to click OK on this one, and it's going to start restoring your chats, as you can see. So now it's doing the connecting part. It should transfer everything and work smooth with the MobileTrans. It was able to actually transfer everything. So all of the information that was on your WhatsApp from your old phone was successfully processed through the MobileTrans and now into your new phone. It's going to take a little bit of time to load and to set up. And then when it's finished setting up, then you're back and ready to go on this new phone. All right. So as you see here on screen, it's pretty much done. Everything has been fully transferred. And now you can basically just take a look on your new phone and you should see all of your chats here. Everything should have been transferred successfully. If I click on maybe like a random, you can see here the conversation between me and this individual. So you have access to all of that. It transfers all your message, photos, videos, no cloud backups, no factory resets, and you're not gonna have to wait hours for the download. It's usually relatively quick. I have to admit, what I like most about Wondershare is that it's fast and reliable. It's a safe setup. It's gonna allow you to get the job done without having to worry about, is my data compromised or stuff like that. It's safe and reliable. So unlike traditional backups where, your data is pretty much volatile, MobileTrans essentially transfers data directly from phone to phone. So that way you're really never gonna lose any information or pertinent messages or chats. Now listen, I know that if you're watching this video and you've ever had a situation where you've transferred data from a phone to another and you've lost chats, you know how frustrating and valuable those chats were, so you can understand the feeling. So naturally, this is a tool that's gonna be useful for just about everyone. I mean, listen, if you're upgrading to a new phone, you can use this tool. If you're switching between iOS and Android, again, you can use this tool. Maybe you're moving WhatsApp data from a business standpoint, then again, this could be a very useful tool to do that. Super quick. I'll be honest with you, this is one of those tools that you don't exactly think about, but the moment you need it, it just comes in so clutch, and it literally makes your whole setup and process so much easier. If you're planning to switch phones anytime soon, or maybe you're excited for the release of the new Samsung S26, which I'll be covering on the channel, then I'll make sure to leave a link in the description down below to this MobileTrans app. You guys can get your hands on it and try it out for yourself. I'd be curious to know if you guys are upgrading to the S26 S26 lineup? Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, if this video has been helpful and useful in any shape or form, then make sure to go ahead and leave a like and a sub. It really goes a long way and it helps grow the channel. With that being said, I wish you guys the best of luck in everything you do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.